Here's a C3 to check out. It's a 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Numbers matching. 327 V8 with 350 horse underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power brakes, AC. Le Mans Blue 976 paint code. Medium blue interior 414 trim code. Let's take a look at the front chrome and the bumper. Now, as far as paint, we do have some little touch-ups. Maybe some little tiny chips, little pebble marks, what have you. Paint does show its age just a little bit. Now, don't get me wrong. It still has a nice shine to it, as you can see. Be a great car to have some fun in. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just kind of want to point out some of those imperfections, and as I see some as we go around, I'm going to try to point them out as we go. There's a few here and there. Car's been driven. Have some fun with it. It's actually a 2-owner car is all. Coming out of long-term ownership, the gentleman that is consigning this vehicle and selling it, retiring, doing some traveling with his wife, and the car just doesn't get driven enough, and it's time for somebody else to enjoy it. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the car from every angle. Undersides, and definitely look at the undersides. Look at how clean this thing is. Engine bay, interior. You'll see the car from every angle, T-tops in, T-tops out. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Slotted rally wheels. Hankook radials. Those are brand new radials all the way around this car, by the way. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. If you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's that blue bucket seat interior, center console. See, that Alpine aftermarket stereo system has been added, and that is working. And again, you can just kind of see there's little different shades of blue, a nick, a light scratch here or there. This car will come with a chassis service manual, owner's manual, some miscellaneous manuals. You'll see those in the still pictures also. As we take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, dual exhaust. Technician noted that the exhaust looked pretty much new from the manifolds back. A few other notes from the technician on this one mentioned that the AC was in-op, does not blow cold, but the clutch will engage when it's jumped, and still R12 yet in it, FYI. 370 rear gear ratio, Quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor on it, new steering box. Mentioned the new tires. The smog pump has been bypassed. Belt has been removed, so the smog pump's not running. Wipers do work, as well as the wiper door. Brakes are 90% in the front, 95% in the rear. Does have new rear brake hoses, and 4 new calipers, as well as a new master cylinder. And again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Tell you what, if you like Corvettes, no matter what series, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. A couple other touch-up spots kind of down the midsection of that door, here and there. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Good look at the door panels. Slight crack in the vinyl on the top of that one. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes in the seats, little wear in the bolster over here. A set of aftermarket speakers in the rear. You'll see those in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Original miles on a 93,872. Fires right up. As you can see, tack works. Mentioned the radio working.
Yeah. Come on.
Fuel gauge, water temp. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. Make sure it's neutral. Clock's not working, as you can see. Oil pressure and battery gauge. Top of the dash looking good. The door closes very nicely. And let's listen. Again, numbers matching 327. Good sounding car. Let's take a peek underneath the hood. Good look at the underside of the hood itself. I mentioned newer master cylinder. As you can see, HEI ignition upgraded. Running smooth. I did mention smog pump belt was unhooked. You can see belt's still hooked up on the compressor, and that will kick on and off. This needs a little attention. Maybe be recharged. Still the R12 power brake AC option C3. And let's check those headlights. Headlights working good. Stick around a bit longer if you want to see how this one goes down the road. Jason's going to take it for a drive, and no, I didn't slam the hood, so that's why it's still sticking up a little bit there. 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, numbers matching. 327, 4-speed manual. Power brakes AC factory. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist for transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jared on Motorhood.
Jesus!
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1968 Chevrolet Corvette in a brilliant blue inside and out. 4-speed manual transmission right here between the seats. Our turn signal indicator is working. A little bit of traffic to wait for. Alright, let's go. Very nice shifts. Positive feel to that shifter. Clutch feeling good as well. Our gauges are working. The fuel gauge showing a half of a tank. The oil pressure showing about 35 to 40 psi. Now the battery gauge is right in the middle. We are clock equipped here. I do not see the hand moving. And the water temperature gauge is still showing 100. We've been running approximately 5 minutes. Speedometer and tachometer are working. The blower motor blows air in this car. stock appearing throughout, except for the stereo is actually an Alpine.
11 o'clock star, will you be there?
A vintage Alpine with cassette capability. Now I've not tested cassette, but FM is working well. Factory vinyl blue bucket seats matching the interior. T-top car. We do have the tops in today on the test drive. But awesome. I mean, if you can have a T-top car in the car of choice, get the T-top car. It's so much cooler. Corners like a Corvette should. Cruising along in 4th gear, happily. Find all the pictures of this 1968 Chevrolet Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.